Hi guys, Outdoorsie Jen here, and on today's video we are going to cook some zucchini boats out of zucchini that we grew out of our garden. So here you can see the size of it. I already cut it open and did this one, but we'll do this one for you on camera. You just want to cut out most of the center so you can get the stuff in the middle of it. Alright, I'm just going to show you guys how to make up one, in case you guys are ever interested in using it on your campsite. But we just get marinara sauce. You can get any one you enjoy. Spread some on the bottom. And then we have mozzarella. It's a little slick. So, fresh mozzarella chunks, slices. And then pepperoni. And then a little bit more sauce. And top it with any cheese that you enjoy. We have mild cheddar. And then throw it on the stove for the campfire. Alright, we got our griddle all warmed up here. Let's get our zucchini put on. Alright, we'll check in a couple times while it's cooking. And yeah. Alright, we're going to slow the flame down a little bit. It's going to cook very quickly for the stove to get hot. And put the lid on. Alright, we're going to check on our zucchini boats here. Oh yeah, they're looking good. I'm going to switch them around. They're getting soft now. Oop. Everything's falling out. It's getting all soft. Okay, let it cook some more. Alright, our zucchinis are done now. Right. We're gonna throw some rice on and then eat some dinner. All right, get some rice. I already ate my zucchini. I was hungry and it was hot still. Here's our rice with some tuna in it. All right, and there, dinner is served. As always, I'm Outdoorsie Jen, and I'll catch you in the woods.